morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1.
Hooray!
Good morning Tim! The rumours are true. Vlogmas begins today. Today's the 1st of December. And I'm so excited for Christmas! As you can see, I still have my makeup on from last night because Tim and I ended up being out later than we were planning last night. Just a bit. We got home at when? I looked at my Fitbit, I got 2 hours sleep.
Hooray!
Last night Tim and I went to the fireworks with 4 of our friends, and I actually did film some footage which I'm going to insert because it was a really fun evening. But we ended up going out to a bar and then like a small club, which we weren't expecting. We had so much fun, but we're both feeling a little bit worse for wear this morning, which isn't ideal. I didn't want to start Vlogmas like this, but it's vlogging my life, isn't it? And that's my life. That's what I did yesterday. Evening guys, Tim and I are going to a firework display tonight. We're going to meet Tom and Lizzie. I thought I'd just throw, sorry, you can turn it on. No, it's fine. I thought I would just chuck this into Vlogmas Day 1 because it's festive and I'm not gonna have time to upload it as a separate vlog, so why not just add it into make tomorrow's vlog even more exciting. Vlogmas Day 1. Are we going to the pub or are we just going to the fireworks?
Probably the pub.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we're gonna go and see some fireworks. I think I'm gonna be out of focus. What is new? Focus on me, please. Now I've forgotten what I was gonna say because I was talking to the camera. Let's go see some fireworks and some friends. Sweet. We just walk in. There's a lot of sweets here, Tim. I don't need it. I want it. I want all of them, but I don't need them.
No.
Keep walking. Why did you stop there?
I want to look.
We're also meeting Liam and Pagan as well, so 4 friends. And I forgot how like big this is. Like it's a proper fair, and it's all in my local town. It's really, really cute. I feel so festive. This is a great way to kick off Vlogmas.
The chestnuts. It's proper.
Roasted chestnuts. I'm not wearing enough clothes.
Told ya.
I'm quite cold. That was such a good firework display. The finale was gorgeous. Liz cried. So good. Yeah. Get used to this, guys. Vlogmas starts tomorrow. Every day. 25. We wish you a Merry Vlogmas. We wish you a Merry Vlogmas. A very Vlogmas. They can't see you, Liz. You're just a voice in the dark. At least they don't know who I am with this voice. They won't even recognise you.
This way for the chestnuts. Oh, I can smell the chestnuts already.
Pick and mix. Pick and mix.
We're all joking, but you actually want to go to the
I always want to go pick and mix.
Do you want to?
No, it's fine. If you want chestnuts, then I'll get some pick and mix.
Chestnuts, so you get them.
Liam, if you want them that we've already eaten. I feel so Christmassy right now. I'm going to
Christmas very close to where Emma lives. In
Change of plan. We were supposed to just go for one drink.
But as we walk past, we decided not to. Oh look!
Shut up! I can't put any of what they just said in.
Right
They're
now.
bullying me. I'm gonna bleep out everything you say. Everything. Change of plans. We're going out. It's against my better judgment, but we're going out. Subscribe to Emma. Subscribe. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below. Because I love her. I'm gonna comment. Comment below if you're a traveller like Emma and Liz. So I need to get myself sorted out because I've got a PT session at 12. And it is currently like 9:30, and Tim and I need to binge watch Stranger Things because we're going to the Stranger Things Secret Cinema tonight, which I'm super excited about. I got Tim tickets for your birthday. We're really looking forward to it, but we need to binge watch because we haven't actually finished the season. Happy Vlogmas, let's do this. I'm super excited. So I've got a couple of advent calendars to finally open. I'm so excited. I've got a glossy box one and Nivea sent me theirs as well. Let's open day one. Oh, crikey. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This is such a blast from the past. My best friend Tamika used to use this. Refreshingly soft moisturising cream. For glossy box, I actually have opened day number one. Look how beautiful this is. I have opened day number one because I did a video for them, but let's see. I look a wreck. It was the NYX Ultimate Shadow palette, and this is the Warm Neutrals palette. Such a good palette. I actually really like this one. I don't actually have a chocolate advent calendar because Tim hasn't bought me one, and I didn't buy myself one, but I did buy Tim one, which I should have just kept for myself. But I didn't. I gave it to him, so I need to find myself one. It's always nice to start your day with a little bit of chocolate, isn't it? Vlogmas this year is very exciting because I'm having a party in less than a week on the 7th. So I'm having a big house party, so I'm going to be getting the house ready for that. And I'm also doing quite a lot of decorating. So there's currently a painter in my bathroom, and my bathroom is finally painted, so I will show you guys that, which is amazing because it's basically finished. So that's very exciting. And I also need to sort out the room I'm sat in right now, which I will do a tidying time lapse of, but not right now. I can't show you the before yet. I'm just too ashamed. Lots of flat stuff and party planning. I'm really looking forward to it. Lots of fun stuff to show you guys. It's crazy that there's Christmas songs on the radio. Oh my god. Here you go.
Hooray! Favourite, best brand.
Look at you next to your graduation photo. I'm sorry, Tim, it's massive.
I very nearly just opened it.
And seeing as you haven't got me one, I'm gonna have a bite of it.
Sorry. I thought you wouldn't want one. I thought you'd be like,
oh,
no,
they're tiny.
Oh, look at that. There's 2 bits, one each.
Perfect.
Oh, that's good. That's nice.
Starts your day off right, huh? This arrived in the mail for me yesterday. It's Anastasia's new pigments. Doesn't this look amazing? This is the one I'm the most excited about. It's little blue stars. There we go. So cool. And then it's got the glitter adhesive as well. This is also a stunning colour. Ooh. This has become a fully developed hangover at this point, and I'm walking to a PT session. Guys, this is going to be really horrible. We'll see how it goes.
Christmas time on high.
I'm dying here. Look at this sweat. Oh my god. Leg extension tan. It's so cold in my flat. I'm gonna shower in a minute, but you know when you just can't bring yourself to take your clothes off when your house is really cold? That's how I feel right now. So I'm gonna wait for it to heat up a bit before I have a shower. I am just planning what I'm gonna wear to the Secret Cinema event tonight, and I think I've decided on something. My like assigned costume or theme is high-flying media person, so like suits, heels type vibe, which is not what I wanted. I wanted to go punk, but I didn't answer the questions right on the thing. I think I'm gonna go for the purple suit, the purple skirt suit, my knee-high black boots, and I'm going to, I think, maybe wear a purple turtleneck underneath, so go like fully purple. And then I think I'm gonna do tiny corkscrew curls, like proper 80s curls. So that's the plan, Stan. I'm gonna be freezing cold, but hopefully I'll look amazing. And the gym was really hard, by the way. I feel terrible.
Here we are, a cold December night.
Okay, Tim and I are gonna sit down and watch 2 episodes of Stranger Things, and then we're gonna watch one on the train. And I need to get ready, like, stat, because we are leaving very, very, very soon.
You can watch it on 1.5 times.
Oh my god.
No, we can't, we can't.
We're getting a super, super classy dinner. What do I want? What do I want? Oh, I'm stressed. I'm getting this.
Cool.
Okay guys, we are speed walking to the station to catch our train, and I think basically as soon as we get there they take away phones and cameras, so you can't take pictures of the venue. So trust me to choose something to do, an activity to do in Vlogmas where you're not allowed any sort of recording equipment. I'll try and get a full length outfit shot and a picture because I'm kind of obsessed with this outfit. I feel like I should have been born in the 80s. Look at this makeup, mad. And a chopstick to my hair, which I might take down when we get there, we see.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate.
I think phones and cameras are going to be put bit away now, so we will probably see you guys at the end when we've had a few more drinks. That was so much fun. We're just outside, we just want to get a picture of me and Tim together if someone is willing to take it.
And Christmas is my favorite time. And Christmas is my favorite time.
Just a little flash dance. Just a little flash dance. When in London. We just went from Canning Town to Bridge to then London Bridge.
Not everyone calls it bridge like us.
London Bridge to then come back to Westminster to get to Victoria because there was reduced trains. And nice shoes. These boots are most definitely not made for walking. This is marketing. I now want to try a festive clementine.
9 minutes.
Great. So I'm going to buy one. I can't wait to try you.
It's quite nice.
It's very subtle orange.
It's very like the lemon one. The lemon one. Lemon dark Coke's good.
Christmas Coke, who'd have thunk? Okay, we just got in. My feet are so happy to no longer have those shoes on them. The painter has done half of this door. The painter has painted the doors in the bathroom and he's also painted the walls. But I'm not going to show you guys until tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll do the grand reveal of the bathroom, but I think it looks incredible. Do you have a nice evening?
A great evening. It's kind of like a theatre performance.
It is.
I didn't really think it would be like that though. I thought it would just be like, I don't know.
It's immersive theatre.
Yeah, it was really cool. There was always something going on. Like we got lost really quickly. We like lost our group.
Yeah.
The flow they try and like direct you into to get you involved in all the activities. We just got lost. We just started wandering around. But even then, we were just wherever we went, there were like fucking characters like running in like, quick!
Have you seen this?
Have you seen this? Quick, run! Follow me this way!
Ah!
Really high energy and really good actors.
I'm glad I got to wear this suit again so soon. And I love Tim's suit.
Describe your new jammies in 3 words.
Fuzzy socks, blankets and hot chocolate.
That's way more than 3 words.
That's 3 things.
Alright. It's actually 4 things.
Why?
It's 4 things. Oh, fuzzy socks.
Blankets
Oh.
and hot chocolate.
Or fuzzy socks.
Hot?
It's
Beginning to look like Christmas. Everywhere you go. Oh, time to get into bed and do one of my favourite things about this room. The light switch. Tim and I are gonna watch some vlogs now and go to bed. So I guess that's the end of Vlogmas day 1. I've had a great day and I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you same time tomorrow. Bye!